And here comes the truck to collect all the recycled cardboard. He puts down his bits that goes in there. He has to try and line them up through the holes at the side. They're through, and then he lifts it all up. Oops, oops, some falls out. Oh, a lot falls out. Oops, the lids open up. Oh, look at all that cardboard. Some of it goes in and some of it slides out everywhere.
And Grandma goes to help the dumpster man with his truck and gets an angry toot from the man in the truck.
Oh, okay.
And gets a lesson in OH&S from the truck driver.
Can I pick it up and put it in there?